Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add Airbnb reviews to your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widget is Airbnb reviews. Let's click here, sign up for free. Now you can sign up with Google or Facebook or just normal mail, that's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, you want to write Airbnb to the search of applications. And when you have it, create a widget. Now you have option which kind of widget you want. You can go with the carousel, with the reviews, grid one or slider. I'm gonna choose the reviews. Let's continue with the template. Now just paste here the URL address. And when you got it, you can change just the layout, review and style. Click save. Now, after you do it, I'll just delete these that I prepared. You need to choose a plan. You need to, if you're starting out with your site, go with the light version. But if you have already like 5,000, 50,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. Let's copy them. Code. Now, let's just paste it here. Let's click save. Just paste it to your HTML. And voila, this is how you got your Airbnb reviews. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you with everything. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.